Got another box here of 2020 UFC Panini Chronicles. They're guaranteed 2 autographs. In this product, so hopefully we can pull some fire. Pack 1. We have a Jorge Masvidal Legacy. We have a Cirogon rated rookie. An Israel Adesanya score. A Khamzat Chimaev rookie crown royal. A Sadiq Yusuf rookie, rated rookie. I think this is an autograph, so I'm gonna skip this real quick. An Aljamain Sterling illusions, and let's just flip it over, I guess. A Gilbert Burns certified, not numbered. And we have a Diego Ferreira rookie ticket. It's not numbered. Pack 2. All right, we have a Francis Ngannou Prestige, a Jorge Masvidal Luminance, a Jorge Masvidal Origins, then we got a Jorge Masvidal Blue Prism Legacy, numbered 60 of 99. We have a Francis Ngannou Flux, Nice. A Yuri Prohaska rookie, Rookies and Stars Crusade insert. This is numbered to 13 of 49. An Aljamain Sterling black, and an Amanda Nunes Elite. And I don't believe either of these are numbered. Yeah, they're not numbered. This one looks like it has a filler. I was gonna say it's thick, but it looks like it's just a filler. We have a Zhang Wei Li season ticket, a Kamaru Usman Rookies and Stars, a Nate Diaz playoff, a Francis Ngannou Crown Royal, a Michael Chandler Spectra rookie, a Charles Oliveira Rookies and Stars Crusade, we have Francis Ngannou XR. It's not numbered. And we have a Jorge Masvidal black purple prism, number 21 of 49. Or maybe it's just purple. I don't know if when I'm saying prism if that's actually the case. I know that on some of the cards they'll say prism, but I guess it's just purple. I don't really know, to be honest, but it's numbered to 49. All right, we have a thick card here, so we'll save that for last. We have a Jan Blachowicz, who's fighting this Saturday, UFC 267 season ticket. Nice. We have a Khamzat Chimaev silver prism season optic season ticket. We have an Amanda Nunes certified, not numbered. We have a Francis Ngannou Illusions. We have a Zhang Wei Li Legacy. Matt Schnell rated rookie. A Khabib Nurmagomedov score. And we have another Noir, and it is Francis Ngannou, number 91 of 99. That's a nice card. I don't have thick penny sleeves at the moment, so I'm gonna have to get some more tomorrow. And yeah, we should have one more autograph. All right, we have a Amanda Nunes Prestige, a Kamaru Usman Luminance, a Zhang Weili Origins, an Amanda Nunes Crown Royale, a Michelle Pereira Rated Rookie, this one's going to be numbered. That's nice. A red Khabib Nurmagomedov Optic. And hold on. Set that down real quick. This is numbered 63 of 149. Little dust or something on that. And those last two were a Francis Ngannou black and a Stipe Miocic Elite. Yeah, a Stipe Miocic Elite. Last pack, and we should have the autograph in here, or again, I'll have to follow up with Panini because they guarantee 2 autographs per product, and this is a thick card, so let's do that last. All right, so we have a Kamaru Usman XR. A Jorge Masvidal red XR, numbered 54 of 149. We have a Conor McGregor season ticket. An Amanda Nunes Rookies and Stars. A Jorge Masvidal playoff. Got a red John Jones Luminance, numbered 148 of 149. We have a Zhang Weili Flux. And, well, I'll just flip it over. So here we go. Wow, nice. An Amanda Nunes Crown Royal Silhouettes autograph, numbered 38 of 79. Alrighty, guys, that's it.